Research Methodology and Data Analysis. Lesson 19. Review of literatures related to the study. Before starting to write your literature, you should assume the likes of questions that will come from your audience soon after reading your literature. As a researcher, you must obtain as much literature as possible which relates to the topic you want to study. This is very important because you want to revise what the previous researchers have done in the area, the variables used, and the findings so that you will not duplicate their work. A sample of literature review on customer satisfaction. The role of customer satisfaction as a performance indicator of service quality was exposed by various studies across industries, Stoss and Neuhaus, 1997, Blomer et al., 1998. However, the exact relationship between service quality and customer satisfaction is still being debated and shrouded with uncertainty, Suresh Chandar et al., 2002. Many efforts have been done in measuring the relationship between service quality and customer loyalty, Parasuraman et al., 1994, Zythemel et al., 1996, De Ruyter et al., 1998, Blomer et al., 1999, Zainuddin and Zihan, 2004. In measuring customer loyalty, Parasuraman et al., 1994, have identified 5 dimensions of customer loyalty, namely, loyalty to the company, external response to a problem, propensity to switch, willingness to pay more, and internal response to a problem. The definition of terms. You should provide simple definition for all terms that may bring unclear meaning to your reader. Do not let your audience trying to figure out what you meant with certain terms used in your proposal. Identify a few keywords and provide definition for each of them. Service quality is defined as a customer's evaluation of service after their consumption. Customer satisfaction is defined as a general evaluation based on the result of the product or service perceived after the consumption compared with earlier expectations. The theorized relationship among variables in the study. As a researcher, you should be able to expect how these variables relate to each other in a logical manner. Specifically, which variable should act as dependent variable, independent variable, mediating or intervening variable, and moderating variable in your study. The theoretical framework of the study. The theoretical framework for your study is the schematic diagram drawn to indicate how you believe the variables involved in your study should relate to each other. This is important since it will become the heart of your study. Constructs in the model. Dependent construct, Y1. The dependent construct is students' loyalty towards their university, Y1. This is the construct of primary interest in the study. Students' loyalty is measured through the extent of their willingness to continue the postgraduate education at the university, and also their willingness to provide positive word of mouth concerning the university. The study wants to examine the effect of service quality provided by the university, corporate image of the university, and students' satisfaction with the university on students' loyalty towards their university in the future. Independent constructs, X1, X2, X3. The independent constructs are service quality provided by the university. X1, corporate image of the university, X2, and students' satisfaction with the university, X3. This study treats these 3 constructs separately to examine the influence of each construct on students' loyalty towards their university. Firstly, the service quality of a university is hypothesized to influence students' loyalty towards their university. Mathematically, the equation is y1i equals beta 0 plus beta 1 x1i plus epsilon I. Secondly, the corporate image of a university is also hypothesized to influence students' loyalty towards their university. Mathematically, the equation is y1i equals beta 0 plus beta 2 x2i plus epsilon I, 2. Thirdly, the study hypothesized that students' satisfaction with their experience at the university would influence their loyalty towards the university in the future. Mathematically, the equation is y1i equals beta 0 plus beta 3x3i plus epsilon I, 3. Mediating construct, y2. The study is also interested to examine the effect of mediating construct in the model linking service quality, x1, and corporate image, x2, to students' loyalty, y1. The mediating construct is students' satisfaction with their experience at the university. Students' satisfaction with the university, denoted as y2, is theorized to be the positive effect of service quality provided by the university, x1, and also the corporate image of the university, x2. Mathematically, the equation is y2i equals beta 0 plus beta 1 x1i plus epsilon I, 4. y2i equals beta 0 plus beta 2 x2i plus epsilon I, v. The theorized effect of students' satisfaction on students' loyalty is already stated in equation 3. Please continue the following lesson. Thank you for watching.